Hello, my friend. This is Ron Ian again. Hey, this is the let me close first. So, in front of you, I would like to give you some update of my trade last week from my GBP Canadian dollar. So, in front of you, you can see my trade. So, in this trade, I already got around the move already 500 plus. So, and I would like to share with you how I analyze the market, how I know that this is going up. So from the structure itself, I find out that the price is from the downtrend, right? It's from the downtrend. So and suddenly the price again is start to move something strange here. I found out the price is started to make the so from here first from the lower high it go down here in this one to break the to make a lower low. Then suddenly it go up to make a lower high and it go down again to make a lower low. But suddenly I found out the price is make some strange weakness here in this area, and I found out the price go up again and suddenly down and break this one. It make a lower low again, and after the lower low, the price come up here and make it started to make a lower high here. You see? Then first time I saw this one, I can't believe that this is going up. So why I believe that this is going up? So after the price break this high here, the lower high here, it break by the price and started to break this lower high here also. It started in break this one to make a lower high and go down and it make a lower low again. Sorry, now you can see here it started to this is called a higher high, what I mean. So after that I found out this one it already break the my structure here, the structure the market. So I decide to buy here. I buy here. I calculate my risk. I calculate everything based on my capital, based on everything. So I buy here. I put my stop loss here. Here I put here. Then once it move, I put here. I put here. So then suddenly it go up. Then I got already 600, 700 pips for one entry. So right now you can see that I got two entry here. You can see that I have the two entry here. Here the second entry. So I'm not so sure for sorry if the price is continue to go up here, you know, for this one. I'm not predicting the price. I'm not the kind of person who always want to predict the price where to go. I'm the kind of trader that I trade what I see. I trade what based on my understanding. It's based on my strategy. It's based on my written rules for myself. So I add here. I bought here again. So I stop loss here. This is the stop loss here. So here later on I will move here to protect. Probably I will put here. So my stop loss here. Okay, let's say I will put here now. Okay, right, to protect my, I want to protect myself. So in that way I'm still winning. I never lost. And you can see here I'm have other open position right now. I have GBP Canadian. You can see this is my two pair. I already got, I think already 530. Now if you never calculate the pullback, already 700 plus, 800 plus pips. Then I got a Canadian Singapore dollar. You can see the Canadian Singapore dollar I also got here. I already got 124, maybe 125 pips. Okay, and also I got a Singapore Japanese yen. Where is it? Never mind. I got here, but it's still negative. That's the way of the trader. There's no trader that don't have a loss. If you're a trader, you will understand it. You will understand that negative profit, a loss is a part of the game. This is the part of the game. What the thing that will make us survive in this market, the thing that we are survive in this business is our calculated risk, reward, our risk in the market. We need to manage the risk. Like, I give you some example. If you're going to cross the road, you from left side of the road to the going to the right side of the road. If you're going to cross it, you're not just go run away or go walk crossing the road, right? You are going to look to the left or the right or looking for something that risky for you to become dangerous for you, right? So same in trading. This is analogy is the same in trading. So if you have a business, if you're a business owner, of course you have to manage the business rightly. You have to manage it. You have to make sure that your business is running smoothly based on your business proposal, business plan, right? Yes, and you can see here I'm a Euro Singapore dollar here. This is my aggressive one. But later on, I'm going to close it. Maybe I will leave it one or two open position only. You know why? Because this is just because most of my trades I'm based on swing trading and position trading. This is my intraday trading because I got a good entry here because based on my strategy again, based on the understanding of the market. So I also got here. Let me go down here. Euro GBP. So if I go to the Euro GBP, you can see here, the reason I enter here is because I found out that the very good, you can see it's a very good confluence here. The price. You see the confluence? I got a strong support here, confluence here. And then I go down again. I read the structure and I found out the structure. Oh yeah, the market already started to move higher, So because same logic with the GBP Canadian dollar that I'm using, right? Because this kind of analysis, this kind of strategy that I'm using is already instilled in myself. This is already a reflection of myself. If you are a trader, you will know later on that your strategy is based on your personality, that your strategy is based on your lifestyle. For example, I give you example. If you are a trader, if you are doing a day trading, right? If you are doing a day trading, you know, if you are doing day trading, it makes no sense, right? It makes no sense to trade like a position trader, to leave it to trade, right? Because if you're intraday trader, it means you will close your trade, win or loss, before the close of the market the whole day. Different in swing trading. If you're a swing trader, if you will close your trade, you will leave it your trade within maybe 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, right? 5 days. That's a swing trader. If you're a position, maybe weeks, months, like that. So and this is my analysis now, and my trade GBP Singapore dollar, and you can see here. I just enter here. Let me move to tighten my stop loss here. So this is the reason I enter here because same thing. I see that a lot of confluence here. I found out that a lot of confluence here. You can see a lot of influence here. This is my trade. You see the lot of influence here. You see? You can see already. Same thing. It break it you know it break the structure, my favorite structure. It give me a different confluence again. So I sell it. That's the reason. Okay. And guys, yeah, thank you very much again. Let me close my open position. And thank you very much. And this is Ron Ian again. Continue to follow me. And maybe help me to, if you want to learn how I made this, you can visit my, you can go to Forex Infinity Profit. And you can see here the secret. This is my one. Okay, you can see here I writing some article regarding the trade, about trading here. You can see here. Hold on, are you okay? Hold on. Regarding my you can see here. You can go to the blog, YouTube, my blog here. Recently, I write down what is the best trading approach, the difference between sniper and machine gun. You know, let me give you some example here. Because the sniper aiming patiently, waiting for a good opportunity. Quality shot, never waste bullets, and pulling the trigger in one shot. Machine gun, less aiming, go out and spray the bullet. Quantity is the key. Spray the bullet till get killed. Okay. You can go to this website of mine. You can see here also some of my blogs here, how to be consistent profitable trader, and you can share to your Facebook page, so you can remind yourself how is it. Okay, and thank you again. This is Ronian again, and subscribe to me also to my YouTube channel, so you will be updated to some of my YouTube videos. And thank you, and happy pips and more pips